In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the drivers for the enrollment reader, being the ZK4500 or the ZK9500. When you open SabreCloud on any browser, you go to Personnel, and you go to Employee, and you go to a employee where you want to enroll their fingerprints. And the first time that you get here, and under Device Settings, you click on Enroll. When you click on Enroll, because you don't have the drivers installed on your computer, you click over here to download the driver, which runs locally on your computer, and you say Save. Once it's downloaded, you just keep it over there, say Keep. And then once it's downloaded, you can run this file. This file is a Sabre install file that we created, which will then download two drivers, ZK drivers that are required to your computer. So you follow the prompts over here, you just say next, and don't worry about the folder where it's going to, you just say next and you say install. That'll extract the two installation files, and this prompt over here will explain to you that at the end of each of those installations you need to reboot your computer according to the installation. However, there's no need to reboot the computer until you've completed both of those installations. So you just follow the prompts and install them, and when they ask to reboot, okay, in this case I'm going to be uninstalling them first and then reinstalling them. So now I'm installing it as you would install it. At the end of the installation process, as I said to you, it's going to prompt you to reboot, but don't reboot, just ignore and go on to the next one. So over here we say no, and we continue to the next installation. Okay, so you install the second installation. You still say no, you want to do it later. Now at this prompt, when you see Sabre product software and then the option to reboot, this is the good time to reboot. Because I've already installed it, I'm going to just exit out of that so I can continue with the video. Now, just to explain to you, even though I've installed it, because I'm using Chrome, and it's only with Chrome that you have this problem because of securities, if I click on Enroll, it's going to come back and ask me to install the driver. To solve that problem in Chrome, what you need to do is, if you follow our knowledge base, the easiest way so that you can copy and paste, there is a explanation here on how to fix the problem or change the setting. You just copy this script over here, it's all explained in a PDF as well, and you open up a new tab and you paste that, and that'll take you to a setting within Chrome, and right at the top it says block insecure private network requests. By default it's going to block it. So what you do is you disable this function and you click at the bottom here, relaunch, and this will reopen Chrome with that setting predefined. Now when you go back to Sabre and you go to Personnel and you go to Employees and you choose an employee where you want to enroll, you click on Device Settings and then you click on Enroll. And now when you click on Enroll, it should run the function, and there it is there. So when you want to enroll somebody's fingerprint, I'm going to show you with this finger over here. You select the finger that you want to enroll, place their finger on it 3 times, and you'll see it will have a successful enrollment. And then you just say confirm, and you confirm again, and everything else happens automatically in the background. It will automatically update all the devices with that person's fingerprint, and you'll see the version number here of what's been enrolled. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video.